what does republic means? In order to understand republic, we must compare it with another type of government, and that is monarchy. Okay, so let's compare republic with monarchy. In a monarchy, there is a single ruler. That ruler could be the king, the queen, the emperor or empress, and with that ruler lies all the powers of governance. And how the ruler comes into office, or how the head of the state comes into office? By way of succession. The king gives way to the prince becomes the next king, and the chain of succession goes on and on unless the monarchy is displaced by another dynasty. Do you understand that? That is how the head of the state comes into power in a monarchy. In a monarchy, the rulers come into power by hereditary succession. Each ruler has a successor, and the successor generally belongs to the royal family. Do you understand that? It means you have to come from the royal family, then only you can become the king. Do you get that? That was the system all around the world in the olden times. But with the evolution of modern democracies, with the evolution of societies, the idea of monarchy has been disbanded by most of the civilized countries, and wherever it remains, the monarch has been put under the limitations by a constitution, and that's why absolute monarchs are no longer present in most parts of the world, and you have constitutional monarchs like we have in Britain. Got it? In a republic, the head of the state does not come into power by hereditary succession. In a republic, the head of the state is elected. Do you understand that? The head of the state in a republic is always elected. Can this election be a direct election? Yes. Can it be an indirect election? Yes. So the election is necessary. It could be direct or it could be indirect. It could be anything, but what is the necessary condition? Election. Do you understand that? The head of the state is elected. Another way to put republic is, a republic is a form of political arrangement in which the highest office of the land is filled via elections. Do you understand that? And anybody can fight the election to the office of the president, provided the person fulfills the eligibility criteria like age and other conditions. Do you understand that? But can anybody become king? No. Only person from the royal family will become king. But can anybody become president? The humblest of the people in this country have become the president of this country. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is a glowing example of that count. Do you understand that? So in a republic, the head of the state, it means the one who sits at the top of the government office or architecture or the hierarchical arrangement, is an elected person. How is the election taking place? Directly or indirectly? It could be any type. So a republic, unlike a monarchy, fills the head of the state's office via election. Election could be direct or it could be indirect.